On-screen text, how to remove all bookmarks on X in 60 seconds. Narrator, here's how to quickly clear all posts from your bookmarks on X. Narrator, first, open the X app on your phone, or go to x.com in your browser and log in. Narrator, on mobile, tap your profile icon in the top left, then tap Bookmarks. On-screen labels, 1. Tap Profile, 2. Tap Bookmarks with arrows. Narrator, on desktop, click Bookmarks in the left sidebar. On-screen label near Bookmarks, Bookmarks with a highlight bar. Narrator, you should now see your full list of bookmarked posts. Narrator, there's no built-in Clear All button, so we'll remove bookmarks one by one. On-screen text, no Clear All button with a small X icon. Narrator, to remove a post, open the bookmarked post, then tap or click the share icon under it. On-screen label, open post share. Narrator, from the menu, choose Remove Bookmark. On-screen label next to the option, Remove Bookmark highlighted. Narrator, repeat this for each saved post until your bookmarks are empty. On-screen text, repeat all removed with a simple progress like scribble bar filling up. Narrator, on mobile and desktop, the steps are the same. Open the post, share, then remove bookmark. Narrator, when you've removed them all, your bookmarks page will be empty. On-screen text at center, bookmarks clear with a checkmark icon. Narrator, that's it. You've removed all posts from your bookmarks on X. On-screen text, done white heavy checkmark, emoji optional, and small note. Tip, remove as you go to keep bookmarks tidy.